have 2 pounds of corn, 2 pounds of frozen green beans, 4 pounds of hamburger, 6 pounds of hamburger. We've got 2 bags of pearl onions and 2 bags of our fajita vegetables. Now I'm coming in with my manwich sauce. I'm just drizzling that all over. And because our manwich is 1 can for every 2 pounds of meat, I am using 3 cans because we've got 6 pounds of meat on here. Coming in with a little bit of French's classic mustard. And we're gonna just give this a real nice squirt. I love mustard in this recipe, so delicious. And now for taste, I'm gonna use a little bit more of this Heinz Simply Ketchup. No added sugars, just the simply goodness of this ketchup. All right, now for the fun part, I'm coming in with my Hababichi flippers. Look at how easy I can just cut up this meat, just like that. Whee! Y'all, there is nothing you cannot do on this griddle. Oh my gosh, look how simple this is. If you went to summer camp as a kid, just think they were making this for you. But here's a real easy way that you can make this at home. Fun to do this with the kids. Such a classic recipe. Getting all your veggies in here. Getting all this wonderful fiber, this beautiful meat. We're using 97% lean ground beef, but you don't have to use that higher quality. You could use 80 or whatever sparkles your fancy. And we are just gonna get all of this mixed, mashed, and incorporated. Alrighty, this looks perfect. Now, I never have manwich without my Red Lobster Cheddar Bay biscuits. 3 boxes of that Cheddar Bay biscuit mix. And I've got a real nice little spoon here. I got them mixed up and I'm just gonna start placing them drop biscuit style right on top of our meat and our veggies here. So we're gonna have some delicious biscuits, Cheddar Bay biscuits, to go right along with our delicious manwich, those healthy veggies, those beautiful proteins. And y'all, we're gonna have a complete, delicious, all-in-one pan, easy cleanup meal that you and your family are just going to love. And y'all, the kids love this one. No picky eaters when it comes time to eat the manwich and the Cheddar Bay biscuits, because this is everyone's favorite meal. All right, we've got some more. I used 3 boxes because I knew we were using quite a lot here of our meat, of our veggies. And I'm just, like I said, just dropping these off. It's easiest to drop them with my fingers because they are a little sticky. Alrighty, I'm just putting my last biscuit onto the griddle. Now I'm gonna close this up, y'all, and we're gonna cook this for 15 minutes. Alrighty, it's been 15 minutes. Check out our beautiful Cheddar Bay biscuits, our manwich sloppy joes. I'm just gonna put a toothpick in. Perfect. Just coming right in here with my Hababichi flipper, and I'm just gonna grab up some biscuits, some of this sloppy joe manwich, just like that. Oh my God, that looks so tasty. I cannot wait to get a bite of this. Oh, get some of that biscuit on here, some of my meat on here. It's just so good. Y'all, you gotta try it.